Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Uh, Today I am going to make chicken curry, uh, ordinary Davat chicken curry. How you make in the Davat and all. So that type I will make, but it will be a little bit ordinary also. I hope you all will like it. So thanks for seeing my videos. So come on, let us start the recipe. The oil turns hot. For the foran, I am using some jeera and some dry chili. You can see. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will put this foran. I've cut up some onions. You can see this onion I will fry. I've taken curry leaves. This also I will put in. I will let the onion fry. Friends, you can see the onion is turned brown. Now I will put in the garlic paste. Yeah, I made the garlic paste here. This I will put in now. I will put in some salt to taste. Friends, now I will put in the chicken. This is the chicken I have taken. This I will put in now. I have taken some potatoes also, cut up this way. This also I will put in. I will let the chicken and the potato fry nicely for a while. Friends, the chicken and the potato, I fried it with the garlic paste. You can see the chicken is still frying. Now I will put, this is ginger paste, I will put this. I will put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And I will let this chicken fry along with the ginger paste, saffron, chili powder. With all this, the chicken will fry. Friends, I hope you will like this video. Very differently I am making the chicken today. Friends, the chicken is frying very nicely along with the masalas which I have put. How nice it's looking, how yummy it's looking. How nice and yummy, tasty, delicious it's looking. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Friends, now I will use some Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder. Stir it well. Friends, now I am going to put some cut up tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes here. This I will put in. I will let the tomatoes fry a bit. Friends, now I am going to add some chicken masala. Add some garam masala. This also I will stir it well. Friends, the chicken recipe is looking very yummy, tasty. Now I will add some water. I will keep the gravy thick. Friends, I will cover this up and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Friends, you can see the ordinary Davat type chicken curry is cooking here. Friends, once the gravy turns cold, the curry turns cold, the gravy will turn thick. So this recipe is done, completed. You can have a look. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.